Ready to explore topics ranging from marine geology, marine and coastal ecosystems, oceanography, ocean atmosphere dynamics, climate change, and more? Check out Randolph's Marine Science program, one of the only undergraduate programs of its kind in Virginia.
You know, when we looked around at other colleges in Virginia, there's not very many that offer marine science at the undergraduate level, but there are a lot of jobs for people with marine science undergraduate degrees. One of the things that we really thought about when we designed the new marine science program is what we wanted students to be able to do when they finish and what sorts of experiences we wanted them to have. They are all expected to do 40 hours of field work. They can do that through field trips that we run as a department, which are no cost to students. They'll also take courses on special topics, because one of the things that's more comparable to work or graduate school is taking a special topic and applying all the knowledge you have about a field to that topic, like you would in a job where you're trying to figure something out.
So you get that hands-on experience. She'll bring in things for you to look at. Being able to see the stuff up close and see how they actually function and work in real life just gives you that extra experience.
With our unique curriculum and extensive hands-on experience and ample research opportunities, our students are prepared for careers and graduate programs in everything from oceanography, conservation, climate resilience, disaster management, and everything in between.
Another real benefit here is that we have really good faculty-student relationships. It's fun. When I go in the field, I go with students and I get to know them really well. And I'm able to learn what really interests them, and it's an incredible opportunity to have an education that's more tailored to you that I don't think you can find anywhere else.
The marine science foundation you need, along with Randolph's innovative Take-Two curriculum model, generous financial aid, nationally ranked faculty, and diverse, close-knit community, means you will be prepared for anything that comes after graduation. Why be ordinary? Be an original. Apply today.